Hi, I'm Shane Scott from Sugar Shane's Cafe in Augusta, Kansas. I want to tell you a little bit about these tables that I decided to go with, and I'm very glad that I did. I'm going to tell you why. When I was first approached with it, I thought, my tables are fine. I don't need new tables. But once I started talking and listening a little bit more to what they had to offer, I decided it was a good fit for me. The reason it was a good fit was because I'm helping other local businesses. I'm able to promote them in my restaurant. And I love that. I believe local needs to be serving local. And therefore, what I noticed was the pride that they take in the tables. They bring other customers in, they point their ad out, they eat here more often, and they take pride in these tables. Once I saw how beautiful the product was, I was in 100%. It's a great product, and mine looks terrific. I put mine up against anybody. So if you're on the edge and you don't know if you want to do this or not, I highly recommend you try it. I mean, it costs you nothing. Go ahead, give it a try. You'll be glad you did.